The time seems right for fate to lend me a hand. The future that's in front of me, predestined, pre-planned. I haven't had a hand to play for such a long time. Seems like every move I make comes right without even trying. And look what's happening now. The reason for living's transpired somehow. And if we had a real say in it all, it's better to be walking tall. If perhaps you're scared of what tomorrow may bring, try not to chill in winter, baby, think of the spring. If hope is not your forte, positivity you lack, and try to face up to what's coming, girl, there's no turning back, yeah. And look what's happening now. The reason for living's transpired somehow. And if we had a real say in it all, it's better to be walking tall. You say you're feeling good inside, but something's wrong. It's taken forever to decide, and it comes along. Morning comes but brings you no ray of light. It's easier to think of what is wrong than is right. But everyone I know's been through the same old thing. Please don't give up hope, babe, just let the changes ring, yeah. And look what's happening